Hi, I'm Mark at DIY.Graphics, and today I want to talk about our products that are geared directly towards the photographer. So we have optical clear crystal that comes in various sizes. This is a medium size, and they go all the way from very tiny ones that are about half the size, all the way up to large wedges like this one here, the large one, small wedges. And you can buy the supplies from us and print your printout on your inkjet printer. You've already taken your portraits, you've already taken your wedding photos. Why not sell them a beautiful crystal wedge, solid crystal wedge of the wedding day for $200, $150, $200? Why let that money go to a photo processing lab? This is something you can do in-house. You don't need any special equipment. All you need is an inkjet printer. You can print on our little crystal wedges and our little crystal blocks and have little keepsakes. Also, you can print out wedding place settings and little souvenirs for the tables. Instead of them going elsewhere and buying calligraphy cards or some other printed product, why not take a photo, put it on a crystal wedge, print the name of all the guests on the wedge, and you keep the money in-house, and it's a great profit item. Have 150, 200 guests, sell them for $8 to $10 each. That's a nice little job. There's something extra. So we also have a system that we call frameless frames. It's acrylic that has the adhesive on it, and it comes with a half-inch standoff piece on the back that hangs horizontal or vertical. And since it hangs away from the wall, there's no frame that competes with the photograph. So again, you just take and mount your photograph onto the acrylic and mount it onto the acrylic. It's very, very easy, fast and easy. And it's an extra item that you can sell after you've done your photography. This one is the same product. It's just a little halo frame that we've added to it. It's a neon acrylic that glows. It kind of like takes its own light source. And it comes in neon green, neon pink, and neon orange. And it just adds something a little extra. So I invite you to take a look at our website, DIY.Graphics. We sell all the supplies, and I'm always here to help you. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can even call me at 1-800-370-3564. My name is Mark, and we can talk about it, and I'm here to help you any way I can. Thank you. Bye-bye.